No, you never say enough suck finger.
Oh, it's such a nice boy. Me can't get him to that.
You want till the end. No place like your bed. Man, I take you for granted.
Bad girl step out, I'm stunting. Queen, my ties them tick like pumpkin. Look pon me, big body jumping. My money tick like a caramel dumpling.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today we will be meeting my friend Tasha K. While we're doing that, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And of course, we're not gonna come on the trip with me, so come on. Come good girl, so I take camera. Some good friend there and our two nice baby them. I feel like I got teeth one of them, but when I say nothing till when she reach home she realize. Tell them some stuff about your babies.
This one is Tyrese Dixon. So this is twin one. And this is twin two, which is Tyreek Dixon.
Yeah, see them handsome?
They are fraternal twins, not identical as you can see. Well, most people don't see it, but
Me don't see the difference. To be honest, I don't see the difference. So we've known each other from grade 7 coming up. Yeah, I can't say no. I wasn't really that friendly type, but you know, you know a good friend when you see them.
yeah, we did sing. We did sing.
We have that buzz.
We have a buzz. And from then till now, you know, at one point the link never did strong, but we try to get back the link strong.
I saw her when I was working at Spanish Town Hospital, and she gave my car number. I said, "Oh, Mama, babe." And also, you guys will be seeing her in my future videos to come next month. Yeah, be a big things, my birthday and all them good stuff there.
Alright, but just get a little intro about myself. Like, talk about me.
Yeah.
I'm a fun person. I'm disgusting, I'm annoying. Sometimes I'm miserable, bad, I'm rough cuss. But on the other side, I'm actually nice. Like, a friend named easy for gravitate, so people just gravitate to me when they see me. Me like a lot of things. Really for things. Alright, well, me can say my hobbies, but me like singing. She know that. Singing.
We crew all the way. Yeah,
That-
what's peace give them?
People must know.
You want till the end. No place like your bed. Man, I take you for granted. Obviously, the good baby when they love me half a while ago, no want to stay in a man, but it's alright. I'm not have you. You hear me, baby? I'm not have you. No, you never say enough suck finger.
Oh, it's such a nice boy. If me can't get him to that. Suck finger right through. Then my baby, like for the incubator down a nursery.
Yeah.
And start sucking finger.
Do not suck your finger, okay? No, ears now. So I'll be looking about fried chicken with mashed potatoes.
Boy. We live in lavishly.
So I'm now finished cooking fried chicken and mashed potatoes. I'm so sorry for the noise, guys. They have a bar next door and I be a young people over there. So you know what that means. So it's time for my food review. I go for the baby them food and my food.
Rude. Come. The meat look nice. Here. Ta? 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 It becomes spoon like he can eat with spoon. Hey. Hold your spoon as well. Hold the spoon. Eat with the spoon, let me see.
Where's the food?
Baby, you're wet. Ah! High five. High five. Not even high five. Hi, you now hold your spoon properly. Hold the spoon properly. Sure. How am I eat? Hey. Right. High five, guys. So time for me to taste now?
Yes.
Time for me to taste now. Where's this one that's in there? Potato tastes good so far. I'm gonna taste the chicken because we love meat.
Think I'm here alone.
I love meat. Not even meat, chicken. I'm talking to you, girl. So what you get this stuff?
Sir?
Yeah.
No, man, not the special thing.
Chicken
Yes,
just
yes,
soft.
Right. Good.
You know, like when you got some restaurant, they have a chicken just that try like a rubber. Well soft. Well, put it down. Here. You're not be here. So why not your phone?
Oh, no, you can see the store. You can see the store. You put egg. You put soda.
What?
And crunch.
Your phone? Nah, we don't start. And staff. I don't understand. Like sometimes I mean fried chicken chest, it don't staff. Because I'm not like chicken chest. But me actually eat it, I don't eat chicken chest. Sorry.
Chicken breast or chest? Which one?
Chest, breast, I same thing. Jamaican people say chest with a breast.
Me just do that and put in a pot for a while. Nothing more. I just say me turn it. I love fried chicken breast because it's the easiest thing to fry. And I like the leg where you feel turn and kind of turn
And the hip.
can't
Especially the hip.
Can't
You have to juke it up all the hip. Because you know so sometimes you think so the hip soak and the hip don't soak. It actually having blood in the middle. And from somebody bite them meat and go see blood, spoil the appetite. We don't cooking skill fail.
We don't like medium rare.
I'm gonna make my mother taste piece of this. And some when you will get the chicken to taste stop. But now you also like just by food trashy.
So the reason why I don't buy when I really buy when I buy from restaurant, I don't want to wing a little bit of meat. But differently, I buy for myself and look what I think. Exactly. If I'm paying a lot of money for the food, I don't want a little bit of meat.
One big fat meat like you either eat
Thighs.
yeah. You get me distracted in this.
Hear them. Dog, hear them, man.
You hear that about that door? Yeah.
See how nasty me upstairs?
Here.
You deserve.
Go for them juice. Take out my again. I don't know far me go.
Let's go here. You would have just
You know it's so rude, girl. Me for ask. Nobody me at camera manage me name.
You make me feel. You make me feel. Bring that cold.
Get numb. She say I'm a different baby from that one? Who different baby?
Second to love. Yes, I got me.
So that can put me back there. Like some bird man, you want more? Eddie. First time I eat from her, from knowing her from 8th grade, so she kind of impressed me still as a young girl. So she a fried chicken give me call me feisty, and if I can't cook it, just can't cook for me. So I tell the truth. Her chicken tastes good, and out of percentage now, I rate it from a 1 to 10. Potato differently, I give it a different rate like so. So potato now, I give it like a, I'm not fancy potato, but it tastes good. Some I give it a 9, but the chicken, oh, I'll do that say again. I'll do that say again. I'll do that say again. Yeah, the chicken get a 10. I'm not telling you like it's soft. The first thing I can't stop saying soft, and I first chicken just will get the soft. And
She
what
said
you want? See, and the baby want more. I tell you.
Just say it normally trashy.
Yeah, it normally like trashy. Most people are gonna know when I mean like breast trashy like, and this not trashy. It's should I come show it up this stuff? Show it look juicy. Like you could squeeze it, you feel juice. I'm not talking about I and me. I said juice. As in juice. Jesus. Me I tell you. I have it for you because them alone I exercise. So that's like that, guys.
Wait there, sir. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.
Tell a friend.
To tell a friend. We're out.